This is a food truck, made especially to prepare hibachi Japanese food. Let me begin from the left side. This is the hand wash sink. Here we have the dishwashing, or 3-compartment sink. Take a look at this large prep area. It is possible, because this kitchen measures 18 feet long inside. Here we have a 28 inches salad bar. On the top, it has the condiments section, and at the bottom, we have a refrigerated section. Due to the size of the unit, we are able to install 2 reach-in units inside, a freezer, and a refrigerator. This is the main entrance, from the cabin to the kitchen. Here we have the service window to deliver the orders. Underneath, we have a cold beverage ice bin. The first equipment we find is a 48 inches char broiler, large enough to grill food. Now we have a prep area. This is the second main type of equipment, a 48 inches flat griddle. And next to this equipment, we have a second prep area. As we said before, this is a large food truck. This is the reason it can accommodate a second service window, usually used to take the orders. On top of the cooking equipment, we have the exhaust system. There you can see the grease filters and the fire suppression system. This food truck comes with air conditioning. Check up on this. The floor is made out of anti-slip, diamond plate, aluminum material. In general, the food truck was finished in stainless steel. This food truck was approved in the year 2021 by the Health Department of Los Angeles County.